Today I'm going to unbox this. This is one of the used main logic board motherboard. Unlocked it for Samsung Galaxy SA Plus. Model is SM-G955U with 64 gigabyte. So I did some research. If your phone does not turn on, there are a couple ways to troubleshoot what's going on with your Samsung phone. But this one is a Samsung SA Plus. So I purchased another battery, which is this one right here, from eBay, and somehow when I put it back to my phone, and it still doesn't boot up. And there's another alternative way is to unplug the battery and then unplug this LCD cable right here, and you're gonna to leave it out for like 30 seconds or so, and you're just gonna plug it back without removing the camera and everything, and you're gonna plug it back, but don't turn on the phone. You're going to plug your cable or your charger from the bottom of your phone, and then that should boot up. That should you should get an indicator that your battery is charging. Okay, that's the second method to troubleshoot it. Either first one is to change the battery, and if that doesn't work, you want to go and then unplug the battery and unplug the LCD connector for maybe 30 to a minute or so. And after that, you plug the LCD cable back in to your main board. And then plug the battery and just plug in your cable charger. So this is the third way, is to purchase another main board, because according to my research, one of the battery management IC chip, it is burned out, and you need to change that. So that will require like a micro soldering. As you see, the chip is very, very small. For example, like this one, but the chip is inside this aluminum casing in there. Now you need to remove the casing and then micro solder the chip that's inside here. So I found one on eBay, and I got it for $37.90, free shipping, but with the tax and everything, it's total to be $41.22. So hopefully this is my final solution and final fix. If not, then my Samsung SA Plus is totally gone. So anyway, let's go and then unbox this. Seems like it's wrapping it like a styrofoam. There you go. Yep. So it doesn't get crushed. So after I purchased it, the price increased to $45. So there's a sticker right here. So in case they're afraid you're going to swap out the motherboard. So let's give you guys a side-by-side comparison. So yeah, also as I was charging the SA Plus, the old main board, somehow right here gets heats up pretty hot. So I know something is wrong, and this was due to I plugged in my MacBook Pro, one of the hub, while the MacBook Pro was still charging, and somehow I left it overnight, and the next morning I power on and the phone is dead. So I'm going to do a quick install and see if this phone is gonna power up. Oh, I forgot to put the main one, but I'm just going to test out real quick. I haven't put this antenna in yet, so because I'm afraid I'm going to take it out again later, so. Oh, there you go. Cool. So the IC board is bad, so I'm glad I've got my Samsung SA Plus back in action. So it says US cellular. Alright, I am pretty satisfied. So now I'm gonna put everything back, the main camera and everything and all this connector. So yeah, But unfortunately I need to set up my phone again, so let's recap real quick. If your phone does not power on, you either need to change the battery out, which is method number 1, and then method number 2 is to disconnect the battery, and then this LCD cable right here, or the AMOLED display cable, you're gonna disconnect this, both of the cables, the battery also, and then leave it off for like 30 to a minute, or even longer if you want to or need to. And then plug a charger cable into the bottom of your phone, and you should get a battery charging indicator on there, display. If not, then the last method is to buy the main board, okay, or your motherboard, but you're gonna lose out everything, because the hard drive is on here. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.